We are going to bake a cake here. And I have butter. And we need to add the sugar to the butter and mix that together. First I'm going to add the sugar to the butter. Then I'm going to prepare my wheat flour. I need 200 grams of it. Wheat flour goes into the bowl at the scale. Sometimes I make mistakes. We all do. I have some wheat flour too much, so I need to put it back in the bag. Well, we have 200 grams or about there. Now I can start to mix the butter and the sugar till it's creamy and nice, consistent, which is happening here. Yeah, so I'm back. So here is the shape in which we're gonna bake, and this is what we get after all the mixing. My mixer broke, so I had to improvise a little bit. There's 4 eggs in there, 200 grams of sugar, 200 grams of flour, and some vanilla. I'm going to put parchment paper in here and then put this stuff in the shape. So everything is in the shape now, and it goes into the oven for 60 minutes. So here comes. It said open door in Dutch. And there it is, my cake. I'll leave it in for a little bit, for a few minutes, with the door open. Or the door closed. And then I'm getting it out. I'll do a pizza plate, I think. And this is what I use as vanilla. It's aroma. These are little bottles, and you need a little bit of it. I put that in. So when you wait long enough for 1 hour in the oven, you are gifted with this, a nice cake. And now we need to dump it, but I don't need to dump it because I have the parchment paper, and the parchment paper allows me that I can get it out like this, you see. So let me do it. Actually no, I'm not gonna do it, because you need to let it cool down before you can take it out. So I'll leave it here, letting it cool down. This is still hot. I can see if it's totally baked with a wooden pick or something. Okay, so I have here a wooden satay thingy, and we just can put it in the cake. And then there's nothing on it, as you can see. So this cake is very good. Let's give it cool down, and I make it on the plate, and then I show it to you. So now, as you can see, I took the cake out of the shape. Well, it's looking perfect. What do you think of this? This is delicious, no?